Hey folks, here OS Reviews. You're watching our video first impression look at the Mobee Magic Feet. This is a very clever all-in-one solution kit that basically allows you to inductively charge or wirelessly charge your products. And the kit itself includes some rechargeable lithium-ion batteries that are also inductive in nature. And these batteries will replace the traditional AA batteries in your Apple Magic Mouse, your keyboard, and also your trackpad, and allows you to wirelessly charge these devices. In addition, the Magic Feet dock itself includes a few USB ports for you to charge and sync your iPhone or iPad with, and also to plug in any thumb drives to read them off your computer. So it's a all-in-one kind of kit that is retailed at around $150, which is actually a pretty good deal considering that you can purchase each of these products individually from Mobee, including the batteries and also the docks, for about $50 each. So it actually creates a pretty good value considering that you're getting all of these products in this one set. You can find this product through Amazon.com on Mobee's website and also on select Apple stores. And the presentation is great, but this is a huge product, so you can see it takes up quite a bit of space and room. So make sure you have that space on a desk before you go out and purchase one of these. It's going to about break even in about 6 months. So for rechargeable batteries, it's going to be eco-friendly, and also after about 6 months of usage, it's going to save you money continuing onwards because you don't have to go out and purchase new batteries every single time. Taking a look at how you actually install this product, you see we open it up and then replace the batteries on your device, including the keyboard, the mouse, and then insert the AC adapter onto the wall, plug it in, and you can start syncing and charging your products in one unified location. What I do like about Mobee in general is that their products really adhere to the original design, vision, and decision from Apple. So you can see the color scheme of the product is aluminum and also white, so it matches the design language of your iMac. So it's kind of interesting because it looks like something that was designed originally by Apple, which is a lot of attention to detail. So quickly opening this up, there's a bit of a bubble wrap on the sides there. Let us open this up, and it's just going to lift up like so. So on the very top, we actually have some more information about how to actually install the unit. It tells us what the LED lights mean on the inductive charging pad. So for example, green means that it's charging, a green bar means that it's fully charged, red means that the charging has failed or you're not currently charging. And you can see there's actually two portions or two charging zones, so you can simultaneously charge two products at once. It looks like on this entire area here. And over here is the bar where you simply slide in the keyboard, the trackpad to wirelessly charge. And so these are the individual portions that are labeled. Over here we have the product guide that tells you the individual products inside of Mobee's current product line. And the packaging itself is actually very clever as well. There's that Mobee logo in the center there. Zoom out a little bit. On the inside, we have access to the various components. It's also labeled quite nicely. So for example, if I lift this up, I can see that this little adapter here is the one that's designed for the mouse. So it replaces the battery door on the mouse as well. We've already seen this a few times, but basically it replaces, again, the AA batteries on your Magic Mouse, and then you can simply charge it by using the inductive pad by placing it on top. And it comes fully charged as well, which is pretty nice. And this is the battery bar. This bar replaces the door as well as the batteries within the trackpad or also the keyboard itself. You simply slide it in, and the other end basically is an inductive tip that you slide into the dock to charge. And you only get one of these, unfortunately, in the packaging. You don't get two, so you have to select which one you want to use it for, either the keyboard or for the trackpad, but not both, unfortunately. So that's one limitation to this particular set. There is a physical micro USB cable that you can use to provide power for the actual dock itself. And over here, in this compartment, we have access to the AC adapter. This allows you to plug in the actual dock into the wall and provides power for the charging process, because this is a very heavyweight process. If you're charging products simultaneously, including all the inductive portions and all the USB portions, it's going to draw quite a bit of juice, so you need to plug this in. Unfortunately, the actual adapter is quite a brick, as you can see, so if you're using this for traveling purposes, it's not going to be the most ideal situation. There's also the tip that can be removed in case you're traveling to another nation. Everything off to the side, we have the central charging hub right now. It's actually crafted out of aluminum, which is a rugged construction, and it feels really premium. Again, the design matches exactly with what you'd expect something that Apple would have produced, so it creates that illusion of an original product. And on the front here, you have access to two USB ports for charging and syncing. They are USB 2.0, and there's also a third one on the side there, and then a fourth one on the other side. So it provides up to 4 ports for charging as well as syncing, but it's not going to be rapid charging since it's not USB 3.0, but it still should sync any iPads or any iPhones just fine. So on the sides here, you have access to rubber feet, which prevents the unit from sliding around. It's actually pretty thick and well crafted, and it looks pretty nice on any desk surface, but it takes up a bit of space. And then the central part is crafted out of a plastic material that's very glossy and it will attract quite a bit of fingerprints. This will also charge any Mobee battery packs you may have. So if you have a phone that has a battery pack on there that's designed by Mobee, you can simply set it down. It's going to automatically start charging your phone as well. So you don't have to just charge your mouse or your keyboard, it also charges your phone if you have the corresponding accessory from Mobee. And you can get those accessory packs online. They cost about $80. There are battery cases for the iPhone series, including the iPhone 5, iPhone 6, and some other models as well. Taking a look at the slider bar function, basically you would slide it into any location, put it to the end, and the charging would start. There is an LED for that, and also one for the 2 inductive parts. So it's a pretty Anyway guys, this has been our impressions video here at OS Reviews. Thank you for watching. This has been the Mobee Magic Feet. Be sure to keep posted for our full review, which will be coming out soon on our website. Thanks guys for watching.